Well, friends, gifts are something which are required on every occasion. And today I am attending the biggest exhibition on gifting industry in India, which is the Gifts World Expo, happening from the 25th to 27th of July in Pragati Maidan, New Delhi. I am your host Raghav Khosla from Exhibition Showcase, and today I have come to cover the 25th edition of this landmark event on the gifting industry, where we have more than 30,000 gifting products and brands on display over here, and more than 600 exhibitors are participating, showcasing a wide range of products from electronics to apparel to food items, packaged foods. Everything is there under one roof. And if you are a corporate buyer, if you are into this industry, then you have to visit this event. Today is the first day and we can just see the robust number of visitors who have come to attend this event. And the coming 3 days, we are going to see these numbers increasing. Come with me as we understand what products are on offer here. Let us speak to the exhibitors and try to understand what they are showcasing in this edition of the Gifts World Expo. And if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, it's time that you subscribe and stay updated with the world of exhibitions. Come with me.
Hello everyone, Himani Gulati, Director at Next Exhibitions. I'm thrilled to be standing here at day one of Gifts World Expo, which is India's biggest exhibition on gifting and promotional solutions. We have 600 plus exhibitors showcasing 3,500 plus brands and over 30,000 products. We have products from all segments, be it electronics, be it houseware, gadgets, homeware, decor. Are the trending product zone, a sustainable product gallery, and this year we have a stationery pavilion and also a special focus on luxury gifting. And we have buyers who have registered from all across the country, and we look forward 3 days of insightful business networking, knowledge sessions talking about AI and AR in gifting, and the various trends that are there to stay. That's gallery that we have. It talks about the story behind every brand who has come up with sustainable solutions for the gifting industry. Because every customer today, every corporate today is eco-conscious. Everybody wants sustainable gifting solutions, and we have a lot of options to offer them here at the show. We at Hamilton Houses Private Limited, we are currently at Gift World Expo Delhi. From our innovative products of Milton to our amazing glasswares of Trio, followed by that an amazing product of ProCooks, we have it all under one roof. So please join us, Gift World Expo Pragati Maidan.
Hi, my name is Jose Richard. I head the sales operations for Wildcraft B2B business, and our intent to be here in this expo, the reason for me participating here is we are tied up with Gifting Affairs as a partner to cater our B2B needs in North India, and we are here to establish our brand's visibility as well. So we've been in this market for about more than a decade, and we have collaborated with Gifting Affairs for about 2 years now, and this seems to be a better platform to have our products displayed, and this gives us a more visionary visibility to the resellers as well as the corporates.
Hi, my name is Dheeraj. I am the co-founder and CEO at Uppercase. We are India's first and only fully sustainable travel gear brand. We are a young brand, just 2 years old, and we are very happy, delighted to showcase our products to the entire world here at Pragati Maidan Gift Expo Fair. All our products are made out of sustainable recycle material. Our backpacks are made out of recycled plastic bottles, and our luggages are made out of recycled polycarbonate. If you look at our designs also, they are very unique, very different designs. So I invite all of you to come and check out our luggages. Okay, and we are here to save India's environment one bottle at a time. So we have a never ordinary team. So thank you guys, thank you for dropping by, and we invite you all to check out our products.
Yeah, so hi, my name is Anurag Gupta and I take care of the business development vertical here in Humlets India Private Limited, that is the automotive vertical of Philips. So we are showcasing here the automotive vertical range, the new innovative products which we have recently launched, and a few products which we have planned to launch within this year itself. So the new technology we talk about, so we do have these products with us, the compact car refrigerator, so which is one of its kind new innovation, new technological product which we would be showcasing to our customer in this expo. And this is a 37-liter thermal box which can be plugged into the secret lighter socket of a car. Even if you are not connected through the car also, then also it will keep your food fresh for around 48 hours. So we have started participating in this expo since last 3 years. This is our 3rd year in the row, and we are hoping a very good business out of this expo, and that is why we are regularly participating in it. Yeah, thank you.
Hi, so I'm from Havells, and here we are showcasing Havells and Lloyd as a brand. So Havells, we cover all small appliances, small domestic appliances and kitchen appliances, and in Lloyd we do cover all white goods. So these are all set of products we have in our kitchen. We have all small set of appliances which includes kitchen appliances, domestic appliances, personal grooming category, water purifier, fans category, and water heaters, water geysers. So all these are either kitchen appliances or domestic appliances. But in Lloyd, we do cover all set of white goods. So white good includes refrigerators, washing machines, and ACs, and all these set of things.
Hi, so I'm Zakia Khan from Hershey's India Private Limited. So we are participating here for the first time. Last year I came here, I looked like there are so many gifting options. So I thought that why not? So we came here and discussing our project and our products. Here are some gift pack, like we can see Kisses, HD, and here are just some open products, cocoa powder too. So you can look at the products, and we are offering for the gift pack that, as you all know, that Raksha Bandhan and Diwali is coming. So we're projecting that people might know about everybody knows Hershey's. So we are just offering they can come here, see, and we can give the orders to them.
हमारी फर्म का नाम एवरवेयर इंडस्ट्रीज है। हम लोग ट्रॉफीज एंड अवार्ड्स में डील करते हैं। इंडिया में फाइबर ट्रॉफीज के अंदर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करने वाली फर्स्ट कंपनी हमारी है। हम लोग बेसिकली और इंडिया के अंदर जलंधर, लुधियाना और दिल्ली के अंदर बेस्ड हैं। ट्रॉफी से रिलेटेड आपको कुछ भी चाहिए हो, सारे सामान हमारे पास मिल जाता है। और एग्जीबिशन में पार्ट करने का मेन मकसद है यहाँ पे सारे बायर्स, नए भी और पुराने भी, एक सेंट्रल स्पेस मिल जाती है जहाँ पे आके सारे जने मिल जाते हैं, इसलिए एग्जीबिशन में पार्ट लिया।
Hi everybody, my name is Sia Minocha and I'm here for Bitterberries Private Limited. We are based out of Himachal and we come all the way from Shimla to Gurgaon, and now we've come here to display at the Gifts Expo. We have our own manufacturing facility of gourmet products, and in this we have a wide range of pickles, jams, chutneys, marmalades, preserves. Everything is preservative free, made in small batches, comes directly from the mountains as is 100% pure. इसके अलावा we are also dealing with small artisans from various rural portions of the country, and we bring together a collection of different special arts from across different states, and we custom curate gift hampers for various occasions. And I'd like to show you now. You can come this way. So we have this collection of spa products. We have these bath salts, we have bath scrubs, we have rose water, soaps. Everything is 100% natural and made in small batches. There's no chemical in any of our products. We have this collection of soy wax candles. These are made in coconut shells. These are made in old leaves. And here we have a wide collection of gift hampers. Right now we are displaying for Diwali. So we have these gift hampers specially curated for Diwali, and we have products which complement each other and make for a more thoughtful gift rather than just picking us something up from the shelf. So I hope you come and visit us at the Gift Expo. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Ankita Saxena. I am the head of marketing for two of the brands, one which is called Just Herbs and one which is called Pure Sense. So if you see, both brands are different in nature. Just Herbs is a herbal based, Ayurvedic based brand which has a portfolio of products in natural makeup, pure fragrances, skin care, bath and body, hair care. And Pure Sense is another personal care brand which is a beautiful mixture of fruit powered ingredients along with scientific actives. So you will find a beautiful blend of guava along with salicylic acid for skin concerns like acne, or like vitamin C plus papaya for brightening. So we also have a lot of nice and floral and oud fragrances within Pure Sense. So both brands, you can come and take a pick of what you want and we will customize that for you.